Hello everyone, long time no video. I know, but it was summer, family and no time for cars. This project was more challenging than I thought. Goal was to convert my older Ford Bronco model to all-wheel drive using same body and scale. Boy was that a challenging project. I marked this idea as impossible several times due to small dimensions. I tried several different motors and ideas until it finally worked. Let me introduce to you Ford Bronco 2.0 all-wheel drive. It has pendular suspension on both axles, same as older version, but all-wheel drive with improved steering radius. It uses two DC motors that provides more than enough power and speed, and motors are part of axles, so there are no unnecessary twisting. Everything is printed from cheap PLA, except tires, and it can easily drive, climb, crash, whatever with any damage, except side mirrors. I ripped those several times. There is not much more to tell. Enjoy crawling video, and if you will have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. Link to model is in description. And as usually, please subscribe. Bye!